Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check Instagram comment history on your account in Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram and here go to the profile page. Then click on the three lines on the top right corner and here find your activity. Select it and then find the comments here or interaction and open and find the comments. And here we can see our comments history. We can, using this menu, set some parameters. For example, this and for data, last week, last month, year, and data range. Start data and end data. Or other all filters. And this all for this option today. Goodbye.